Putting the summer tires on the car. Got these two fixed. They were leaking around the bead. One had the sticker caught in it. Had to go get lug nuts. These look a lot better than these ones. I painted these last summer, but they rusted over the winter. That's what they look like with the new lug nuts. Looks way better. Only cost $20-something. Get the bolt out. Pops up. I'm gonna go grab a rag. See what the plug looks like when it comes out. Got the spark plugs out. 3 were really oily, 1 was good, and this one's all carboned up. It was loose. My dad came out, so I stopped recording. I'll have to clean down in there another day. Do the valve cover, gasket. Get all these tightened back down. Broke the clip on here, so hopefully it still locks in. If not, I'll have to run zap straps around it. The battery was put in last year, but I think when the alternator was dead, my ex killed the battery. Had to charge it after only a few minutes of cranking. And I've had the door open and the stereo's been going and stuff. I really like this cheap charger. It's from Amazon. Works really good. It's got the repair mode. That's what it's on now.